Yes, you guessed it right. Blogging in 2024, is it dead or alive? Now, how do you make money blogging in 2024? Before we talk about how do we make money blogging in 2024, let's ask ourselves the question: is blogging alive or is blogging dead? Is it even a thing anymore in this year? How much more talking about making money when it comes to blogging? Now, let me give you a brief background. Blogging is as old as the internet, right? Particularly in 2022, which was the big year, thousands of people began to monetize their blogs. And since then, blogging has made life-changing wealth for bloggers all around the world. But the big question is this: in 2024, is blogging still giving ordinary people the opportunity to make a life-changing income on the internet? Or is blogging dead? Now, let me answer that question right away. Blogging is not dead, yes. However, we have thousands of people blogging and not making a dime from their blogs because there is a right way to blog in order to make money. Yes, there is a new way to blog in 2024 to make millions of dollars, and that is what I'm about to show you in this particular video. So let's get into this video right now. Making money through blogging in 2024 involves combination of strategies. Here are some of the effective ways you can monetize your blog. I made my first million blogging, so I know what I'm talking about. I'm still blogging. I still have multiple websites with blogs giving me affiliate commission, from health website to educational website to business website, getting affiliate commission from different platforms. So blogging is very much alive, and I can testify of the power of blogging, especially in 2024 if you know how to do it right. So let's get into this video right now. The first way you can make money with a blog is by doing what we call affiliate marketing. You see, you can partner with companies and promote their products or services through affiliate links. When readers make purchase using your link, you earn a commission, and that is what affiliate marketing is all about. But now, with your own website, you begin to write about this particular product. That's how it's done. You write about product on the website, you talk about the product, you can make a review post about the product. You can talk about the effectiveness, the benefits, and the pros and the cons of this particular product. On your website, when readers go to the website, they read about it. If it's something they want to try, you have your link there. They go to try it, and that is how you make commission from that. So affiliate marketing is how you monetize your blog. That is step number one. Like I said, our affiliate marketing work is very simple. On affiliate marketing, you as an affiliate marketer, you just put links to the product you want to promote, maybe inside an article or just a banner, whatever the case. Customer clicks on it. When they click on it, they get sent to the website of the merchant, of the owners of the product. They make purchase. The moment they make purchase, it is recorded as detailed transaction. It is recorded on your behalf with your link. Then that purchase is confirmed. After confirmation, transaction is made. After the transaction, you get paid as an affiliate marketer, and the circle continues. You continue doing that on different products, different blog. If you want to, you make money via affiliate marketing with your blog. So that's step number one. Option number two is using display ads. How you can make money with your blogging. How you can make money blogging is by using display ads, right? You can use ad network like Google AdSense, right? You make sure that your articles are very good and you apply for Google AdSense. The moment you apply for Google AdSense, Google will display relevant ads on your blog. While they do that, you will earn money based on the clicks and impression that you get. So the more traffic you have, the more Google pays you on impression and clicks. So it's pay per clicks advertisement, and people are making life-changing income with this. Now, here are some pros when you are doing this: is that it increases brand visibility. Targeted advertisement is a very good way. It increases brand visibility for the people who are advertising on your blogs. So it's a good thing for them. That is why you are being paid. Point number two is that your website or your blog that you have, that Google is putting advert, it's helping people to get targeted advertisement, because you must be talking about a particular niche or a particular product, and your website is an authority in the field. So people will love to advertise on your website, and that's how you make money. And again, your website will be visually appealing. When you display adverts, the advert that is there, it's usually nice to see. So people get to click on it and they go and purchase. That's how you also make money. One of the pros is that some people get to use ad blocker on their browser, right? When they are browsing the website. So even when they go to your site, they will read, you will see visitors, but you will not get advert because the advert is not going to be showing on your website. That is the downside of display ads like Google ads or Bing ads. Another one is banner blindness. Another one is high competition. Everybody is doing this same Google AdSense. So as a result of that, Google are reducing the amount that they are paying people on blogs. But overall, it's still a very good way of making money. So make sure you have Google AdSense on your blog, and that is how you monetize your blog in 2024. Point number 3 is sponsored ads. Now, this is where you collaborate with brands or businesses to create sponsored posts. Write about their products and services in exchange for payment. They will be happy. I've done this several times when I was advertising for getting students to our school. I pay some bloggers and they advertise our school on their site, and we keep getting traffic. So it's just a wonderful way of getting traffic. So people can also do that on your website, right? And they will pay you for advertising their product on your website. Now, how can you leverage on sponsored ad and brand collaboration? Now, all you need to do now, you identify people in the same niche as you. Maybe you are writing about health. Look for companies who are promoting health products, right? Companies with health products and all that. Talk to them, tell them that this is what you are about and you have traffic that they need. They will be happy for you to write some articles about them, and they can give you option for you to be able to make money by putting your ads on their website, or they can tell you to be an affiliate marketer. Right, so you create the media kit, develop a pitch and all that. All these are the process you follow if you want to get this kind of collaboration. Now, how you monetize your blog? Number 4 is selling digital products. This is the baba of all the whole step. See, if you really want to make life-changing income blogging, then you must go this route of selling digital products. You must learn to sell digital products, either somebody's own or your own product. So you can create and sell products such as ebook, online courses, printables, or templates related to your niche. Yes, so it has to be something related to what you do. Now, how do you go about this? How do you sell digital products? You choose what you want to sell. You have to brainstorm the ideas. Usually, I take people through these particular steps, right? In one of my programs called Product Creation Secret, I show you how to create products, take you through the first step of brainstorming the ideas, doing research, and also identifying the best audience for your niche so that you can create something that is good for them. Then you also choose your identified platform where you're going to sell your products. Also show you how to monetize these products and how to promote it to get maximum sales. So, like, selling digital products is one of the most important ways you can leverage on your blog. Like I said, the best thing you will do is create your own product. That's when you are getting profit from it 100%. Nobody is giving you commission. You are making so much money from it directly. The 5th way you can make money with your blog in 2024 is offer premium content, right? You can set up a membership website attached to your blog where people can get to pay and have access to exclusive content. Readers can pay for subscription, free access to premium articles or resources. Or you can create a course, right? Right now, what is trending is creating a community where people can have access to different courses, different programs, what can change their life, what can improve the quality of their lives. You can do all that. So the benefit of having premium course is that it increases interest. The more people know that you have premium course and you are charging for it, people will be interested. When it is free, people are not interested because it's free. And also that makes it, you get to have a lot of traffic when you are into premium stuffs, right? Also, it grows your brand authority. People get to know you that, oh, this is the guy that owns so premium platform. And it inspires credibility because you have premium content. Another thing is it generates huge revenue, also build loyalty, and you can be able to nurture your community with this kind of premium content. And your blog will be a gateway for you to do all that. This is where people are making life-changing recurring income, like money that keeps coming even when they are not doing anything, as long as they have premium content and community that is driving the content. So, 6th way you can monetize your blog, right? You can go into blogging in 2024 is by writing opportunities, is by freelance writing opportunity. Now, freelance writing opportunity is a way you showcase your writing skills on your own blog, right? You attract freelance writing gigs. Many businesses and websites hire bloggers for content creation. So the more you keep writing on your blog that in a specific niche, people get to know you for writing about certain things, and they get to pay you to create content for them, maybe for their course, for their programs, or to promote their own products. Now, what makes a good freelance writing niche, in case you want to go into it? The first thing you think about is budget, right? Can clients in that industry afford to pay you for what you are writing? You have to think about it. Then number two is the demand. What is the demand in the space? People who are looking for writers. If you are writing about mental health, right, you need to look about different areas. Are you writing about business? Are people interested in business content, business articles? That is how you make money. So you need to look into all these things. Another thing to look into is your skills. What skills do you have the most that people can pay for? It must not be writing. It can be something else. It can be graphic design. It can be video editing. You can use your blog to promote everything that you have. Another thing is your talent. Do you have certain talent around writing or around doing other things? Look into it and start a freelance around that particular niche with your blog. Number 7. Now, this is the highest level. This is the highest level because this is on your expertise, experience, and your knowledge into consulting and coaching. Now, if you are already coaching, if you are already a coach, you are already an expert, you are into this, then having a blog will be something that you would love to have, because with your blog, with your own website where you keep posting information about what you do, people will get to patronize you. People will get to know that you are an expert and you are an authority in the space. With your blog, fostering and pushing your content forward, you will be getting a lot of consulting and coaching gigs. Now, for consulting, you must not be a coach. You must not be a coach already. All you need for people to pay you to consult for them is knowledge. Number one, you have the knowledge about something, right, that somebody can pay you for. For instance, if you have knowledge of graphic design, somebody is paying you, somebody can consult you for that. Another thing is expertise. You are an expert in a particular field, right? Why not? You can speak, you can motivate people. People can consult you to come and motivate their team. You know how to strategize, business strategy. People can also reach out to you. Development, you know how to develop people's brain, or develop products, or develop relationship. People will pay you to consult with them or for them. You know how to go about goal setting, how to help organizations set goal, follow them, and achieve that particular goal. You do that, people will pay you for that. And the key thing here is using your blog as a window of getting all these opportunities. Point number 8 is creating and selling of physical products. If you have a blog that has a very strong following, you can consider launching your own merchandise, right? Your physical products. Somebody like Mr. Beast, for instance, if you know him, is a YouTuber. But see what he does. He uses his YouTube following to be able to create physical products that people are now paying for. He's making millions of dollars every week. That is very possible. So you have a huge following because of your blog. You can write a book. You can become an author, have a physical book that people can buy from you. You can have your own shirt, your own clothing, different things that you are doing that is related to your niche. You can start that out, right? And people will pay for it. People will be happy to even buy from you because you already have something that they have been following for a long period of time. Point number 9 is host a webinar or virtual event. Now, because of you have a blog, right, you can charge attendees for webinar, workshop, or virtual conference relating to your niche that you have been talking about on your blog. So if you keep writing about relationship, or marriage, one day, all you need to do is to begin to tell them, you know what, for this thing that I've been telling you guys about, right now, I have a webinar that I'm doing. It's paid webinar. I will break down the core secret of this, and this. People are going to be happy because they like you, they love you, and they've been watching, reading your content on your blog. Your blog will be a means for you to make so much money that you can create webinar, workshop, and conferences relating to your niche. There are many benefits attached to you hosting a webinar. Number 1, you can use it as a way of generating new leads. If you have your blog already, Not everybody that comes to your blog will subscribe, but if they see that you have a webinar, they will put their information, you will have their leads, their contacts, just because they want to have access to your webinar. Secondly, you can use your webinar to build relationship, right? You keep having webinar weekly or monthly, it keeps building relationship with your potential clients for whatever business you are into, and that will make them to trust you and then ultimately buy from you. Webinar can help you create and establish authority. People will get to know you as an expert in a particular field because you always show up and you deliver value on the go. Another thing is to save money. Instead of you trying to create course and all that, webinar is a very easy way of creating high valuable content that you can monetize without trying to go and get huge platforms to create a product and all that you have to also spend on. Finally, webinar will give you very great feedback because usually webinars are long form content, anywhere around 40 to 1 hour to 2 hours, right? So it gives you feedback. If you have people watching your webinar for 1 hour, 2 hours, it means what you have to say or what you're offering is highly valuable that will make people to stay with you for 1 hour, 30 minutes to 3 hours consuming content from you. And that is the most important feedback you will need in your business for you to make money with your blog. Finally, number 10 way that you can monetize your blog in 2024 is to build an email list. Right? You can collect email addresses from your readers and nurture them with valuable content. Then eventually you can promote product and services to your subscribers. People will be asking, what if I don't have product? You can promote your affiliate links to these subscribers and you still make money. People are making 7 figures with affiliate links alone without even having their own product. How much more you that you have a blog, which simply means that you can create product around your blog. Digital products, yes. And that is what my course will teach you. Core Product Creation Secret will show you how to create your own product in whatever niche you are. If you are a coach, you're a consultant, an expert, you have skill, you have knowledge, you can be able to turn that into digital products that you can sell to your subscribers. Now remember, consistency and quality content is key. Understanding your audience is crucial. Above all, when you are building an email list, you must choose a monetization method that aligns with your blog's niche. Now, don't have a blog about pregnant care, right? You are giving advice on how pregnant women can take care of themselves while they are pregnant, but you will not go and sell a product around make money online. They are two different things. That will not work. So you have to make sure that people you are getting their emails, you will sell them products that is in alignment with the content they are reading from your website. Now, why do you need an email list? You need an email list in order for you to stay in touch with your customers and prospects or your readers. 2, you need to build it because of relationship with customers and prospects as well. 3, you need to get more traffic to your website. The more you have email list, the more you are sending them to come back to your website to read your new articles and to see products you have to offer or promote to them. 4 is you make more sales if you have an email list. It is just the fastest way to make sales. This has happened to me over and over again. People that patronize me with a different stuff, another time I promote to them something related to it, they are happy to hear from me and they buy because they've been connected with me and they love what I have to offer to them. Another thing is you stay top of the mind. Email lists help you to keep your relationship afresh with people that are in contact with you. So you keep sending them weekly email newsletter. That makes them know that, oh, this guy is still in existence and is still into this particular business or niche. And that will give them assurance. Whenever they need to buy something that is related to what you are into, you will be their go-to person. So guys, by far, the best way to monetize your blog is by creating and selling your own product, where you turn your experience, knowledge, and expertise into digital products like courses, ebook, consulting, live challenges, physical book, etc. Right? By doing this, you'll be making recurring income even when you are sleeping or you are on a vacation or you are spending quality time with your family, you still be making money. That is why I'm recommending that you watch the next video on how to create a digital product. Watch that video now, and I'll see you in that video where I walk you through step by step on how to create your own digital product and start making recurring income online, and eventually creating generational wealth for you and your children. See you in the next video.